We think that for a long time, energy efficiency has been overlooked within the wider policy debate. And this report really highlights the material contribution to growth, to business growth and economic growth that energy efficiency is making. Businesses are already seeing energy efficiency as a way to cut costs and manage risks. But ultimately, this is a way that businesses can also grow their company and exploit wider market opportunities. The energy efficiency market is worth around £17.6 billion in the UK. That's growing at 4% a year. So there's really a huge opportunity out there for businesses. But of course, there's still a long way to go, with some businesses further ahead than others. I think there is quite a way to go for businesses. We think there's a real opportunity for businesses to learn from those that are already doing well in this area. And one of the common themes from those that are demonstrating success in energy efficiency is strong leadership from the top. So we've got some great examples in the report of companies such as BSkyB or Sainsbury's, where this agenda is really being driven right from the top, from the CEO level, which is underpinned by board level commitment. And the great thing about these examples is that these individuals in the senior management team are taking action themselves and not just talking about it. But of course, this can't be driven just from the top. It has to involve everyone in the organisation. Everyone has to feel the responsibility and the benefits of energy efficiency. So whether that's turning off lights in a building or making sure equipment is running efficiently, everyone has to play their part. We think that government does have a big role to play. Businesses don't need government to guide their individual investment decisions, but what they do need is government to set the parameters within which they can take action. In our report, our findings show that businesses are quite frustrated by government policy at the moment. I think the existing policy framework for energy efficiency is overly complex, bureaucratic, and quite costly. In fact, only 5% of our survey respondents had confidence in the existing policy framework in encouraging energy efficiency, which isn't great. So what we're looking for government to do is step up its action in three key areas. Firstly, we want government to join up different parts of individual policies across government in terms of energy efficiency. Secondly, we think that they need to streamline the existing policy framework and make it easier for businesses and simpler. And thirdly, we think the government needs to talk more to businesses on the ground and find out how they can make their policies more workable for them to ensure that those investments come through.